There's money to be made everywhere, and you can get it with these money-making apps without doing any effort at all. So what are the top money-making apps in 2022? Welcome to e-commerce know-how. Never before has the future been so profitable. We put up a list of the best money-making apps for you to check out ahead. Cash App. Cash App is one of the most well-known money-making apps on the market. This money-making software enables you to transfer dollars rapidly, send money to friends with a single tap, or receive cash instantly when selling anything online. You can use your Cash Rewards card to provide quick financial assistance with this money-making program. You'll be able to withdraw money from ATMs, set a spending limit, and earn rewards for things like shopping at specific retailers or paying your energy bill on time. The app does not charge transaction fees, however it does levy a 3% fee for credit card transactions. The Cash App is available for free download in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a website that pays people to do online tasks for money. On this platform, you may do everything from simple spontaneous activities like data categorization and transcribing to more difficult chores like article writing and video editing. These money-making apps let you work when it's convenient for you and pay you through their website or other financial services. You can also utilize other money apps such as PayPal, a money transfer service that allows you to move money from one account to another without providing a routing or account number. This money-making software, which includes money apps such as money transfers and money orders, is used by over 171 million individuals. TaskRabbit. If you're seeking easy money-making apps for your computer or phone, check out TaskRabbit, a simple money-making program that lets you discover domestic services. This app will assist with little projects such as packaging and moving furniture. We will not want any prior payment, and we will handle everything from the time and date of service to how much money is paid and who pays the bill. Viggle. There are apps that reimburse you for your purchases. By exploiting the live TV capability, the money-making software returns money. As a reward for using the app, you may be able to earn money by viewing your favorite shows, checking into them, or attending concerts. There is also a daily restriction to how much money you can make, and certain programs or applications demand a minimum age. This software rewards you with $1 for watching a TV show or receiving money merely by checking into a star performance. With most stores offering money-making apps like these, the money made may be used to buy gift cards, although some do place limits on how much money can be earned. Viggle is available for free on the App Store and Google Play Store for iOS and Android devices respectively. Field Agent. Field Agent is one of the best money-making apps we've ever seen, grabbing money from your everyday transactions and returning it to you. Field Agent is one of the most efficient money-making apps available. This money-making program will compensate you for money-making apps you have purchased and may be easily transferred to your PayPal account, bank account, or debit card. You'll be able to get money to spend at local grocery stores, pharmacies, restaurants, theme parks, and pretty much everywhere else. Field Agent is available for free on the App Store and Google Play Store for iOS and Android devices. Mobile Expression. This money-making software does not pay you, but it does help you keep your money safe. The earning program must be downloaded to your device and will compensate you by protecting your internet activities from hackers, spyware, and viruses. Mobile Expression is available for free on the App Store and Google Play Store. Number 1, Surveys on the Go. Using money-making apps that pay you to voice your ideas is a terrific way to get extra money. The money-making software will pay you to answer market research questions about goods, services, and entertainment offered by some of the world's largest firms. There is no prior investment, so the earnings come when you are ready to depart. Surveys on the Go is available for free on the App Store and Google Play Store. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Which of these apps have you already used? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.